Hello and welcome to English Lessons 101. I'm your teacher Victor, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you the pronunciation of the TH sound. But before we start, I'd like to invite you to our free weekly lessons. More information in the description box below. Alright, you can always check out the timestamps over here if you would like to jump ahead. Remember to support English Lessons 101 by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Every little bit helps. And now, to the lesson. Okay, let's get started. How do you make the TH sound? Place the tip of your tongue between your upper teeth and your lower teeth, like this. And then you force air out, like this. Just make sure you don't vibrate your vocal cords. By vibration, it means like when you make the sound like zzz, zzz, there is a little vibration that you can feel here. So we don't want to do that. We just want to do this without vibration. All right? And please remember not to put the tip of your tongue between your lips. Like this, right? You will look very, very funny if you do that. Okay? Right? So, for example, you have Thursday, Thursday, think, teeth, teeth. All right? That is it. Okay. Now let's practice a little bit more. All right? Now let's listen and repeat. Math, math, booth, booth, throw, throw, third, third, think, think, Thursday, Thursday, bathroom, bathroom, path, path, teeth, teeth, breath, breath. Now we're going to do minimal pairs. Listen carefully and repeat. So let's practice. 3, 3, moth, moss, path, pass, both, boat, Thor, sore, thought, fought, thin, sin. Quiz time. It's time to test your knowledge. Listen and choose the words you hear. Ready? Go! 3, 3, sin, sin, Thor, Thor, both, both, pass, pass, thought, thought, Tor, Tor, moth, moth, thrilled, thrilled, Tuesday, Tuesday, how did you do? Let us know in the comment section below what words you find difficult. Thank you for your time. This is your teacher Victor. Catch you later. Bye.